Question 3 on this exercise says we should find the HCF of 21 and 28. We shall also use the prime factorization method in determining that. So this is 21 and this is 28. Look for a common factor that can divide both of them. Can 2 divide? 2 can divide 28, but 2 cannot divide 21. So 2 is not 2 cannot go. What about 3? 3 can divide 21, but cannot divide 28. 5 cannot divide, so the next possible prime number is 7. 7 can go into 21 3 times and into 28 4 times. Nothing can go into 3 and 4 simultaneously. So at this point, we say that the HCF of 21 and 28 is said to be 7. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall then take question number 4.